What's up everybody, Cheryl here, and this is my 2010 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Low. Today I am rocking the iron-born Sissy Bar with a foldable luggage rack and the Renegade Sissy Bar Bag. Both items are from VikingBags. I'm going to do a quick little review on these today. Okay, so starting off with the Sissy Bar itself. The Ironborn retails at $179.99. Right now on the website, if you use a coupon, you're looking at $134.99. Super easy to install. Comes with free hardware, some pretty simple instructions on how to get it on the bike. What you're going to do is remove the nuts from all 4 of your strut bolts and slide the bar on. Tighten the bolts back up. Some pretty sweet features about the bar itself. I don't happen to have the setup on my turn signals for this, but it does have a cutout right here in between the bolts for your turn signals if you happen to have them off the sides of your fender, making it super easy. You don't have to take apart any of the hardware for your turn signals to get the Sissy Bar on. So aesthetics are obviously amazing on the Sissy Bar with the double triangle. It's really got that sick, sleek look. But what we really love about it is the fact that if you give this key a couple of quick turns, that second triangle drops down and this is going to be your luggage rack. It comes down at a 90-degree angle, so you could stack more luggage on this, or if you have a passenger, you can move your bag to the back, keep it out of the way so they can sit comfortably. Speaking of luggage, this is my Renegade bar bag. It retails for $159.99. Right now, with a coupon though, you can knock that down to $119.99. Okay, so the Renegade Sissy Bar Bag is 32 liters, making it massive if you're into traveling. So much room to store all of your stuff. However, it's still a reasonable size if you are looking to make it your daily. 3 straps on the back secure it to the Sissy Bar. All of these are adjustable. They also have quick release buckles on all of them. Super easy to take on and off. There is a handle here at the top. You can just lift it right off and slide it right back on. Okay, so to get into the largest compartment of this bag, you are going to undo 3 different clips, 2 of which are going to be here on the sides, 1 at the top. Unroll the bag, and additionally there is Velcro that lines the entire top opening of this bag, which makes it waterproof and helps keep your stuff free from all the elements while you're riding. Once you open it, it is 32 liters like we said, and it is that classic high-vis orange, so if you're riding at night and you need to rummage around in this thing, no problem finding your stuff. So with the Renegade Sissy Bar Bag, you know that your stuff is going to be safe from all the elements while you're riding because it is made out of a water-resistant nylon throughout the exterior. The pockets all have water-resistant lined zippers as well. So one of my favorite things about this bag is going to be the front compartment. Once you unzipper it and drop it down, you've got so many pockets, so much room to store your stuff. However, if you're looking to just grab and go, you can unvelcro one of the pockets in the back, and the entire front pocket comes right off with these Velcros. All right, guys, there you have it. This is my Sissy Bar and Sissy Bar Bag setup. The Renegade 32-liter Sissy Bar Bag and the iron-born Sissy Bar with the foldable luggage rack from VikingBags. I could probably talk about these items for a little bit longer, but as you can tell, the sun is going down, so we're gonna get out of here.